Hey, what's up, guys? I am starting a new series called The Cheapest Flip to 50. So, starting today, I'm going to be looking for cheap cars, and I'm at the auction right now. And so, the goal is for me to find a cheap car, prefer under $2,000. And what I want to do, I want to sell that car, and whatever I sell it for, I'm going to use that amount and buy a new car until I flip it to $50,000. Now, my goal is to see how fast I can flip it. And so what I want you guys to do is tell me, what car do you think I can buy for under $2,000 and how much you think I can sell that car for? And also like the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, because this is going to be a real test for me, because this is going to be real money I'm using, real cars that I'm buying. And every week, or maybe not every week, but every video, I'm going to be looking to either buy a car or sell a car until I get to $50,000. So you can also follow along and see how you can also buy cheap cars and flip them for a profit. So you ready for the ride? Let's go. Let me show you how to flip these cars.